Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing with mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a fantastic base for creating creamy and flavorful dressings right in your own kitchen. To start, you will need about 1 cup of mayonnaise. Then, you will whisk in 2 tablespoons of an acid, such as apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. This simple combination forms the foundation for many delicious variations. Once you have your basic mayonnaise dressing, it is time to explore adding herbs and spices to elevate the flavor. Consider incorporating 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill or parsley for a bright, herbaceous note. For a deeper profile, try 1 teaspoon of dried oregano or a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Remember to taste as you go, adding small amounts until you achieve your desired flavor balance, making it truly your own. To create sweet and tangy variations, you can introduce a few key ingredients. For a touch of sweetness, whisk in 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. If you prefer a sharper tang, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, which also helps to emulsify the dressing. You might also try 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice for a citrusy twist. These additions allow you to customize your dressing for different salad types, from fruit salads to hearty greens. For the best results, always taste your dressing as you mix and adjust the seasonings as needed. A crucial tip is to let your dressing chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld together. Store any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 to 7 days. Enjoy your delicious, homemade mayonnaise-based salad dressing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.